Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Abhay, your mentor. So today we are going to learn about a function called SUMIF. Okay, SUMIFS actually. So one of my student actually lost a job of 9 LPA just because of this function. Like he thought like he knows this function, but when he sat on the interview and they asked how to apply this function, he was not able to do that. Why? Only the reason is lack of practice, and that is what I keep telling you guys. Keep practicing. When I'm sharing you this data set, I have already created every template and all. You just have to give maximum 10 to 15 minutes. That's all. But if you are not able to do that, you are going to lose your like lose some opportunities in your career. Okay, so let's jump into this question. Okay, here we have city-wise CNC machines sold in units. So there is one company who sells CNC machines. Okay, and here you can see in the data in Mumbai city, which is in West region, in January, how many CNC machines they have sold, and likewise in other months. Right now, the manager asked you that I want the reason wise, actually monthly reason wise CNC machine unit sold. Okay, so reason, how many reasons are there to calculate? Unique we will use unique function, right? And for unique we will take the range from here, right? From here to the end. Enter, and you will get four reasons we have. Now we have to calculate the sum of sum if s, open the bracket. Here the just understand the syntax first. Where it's going. Enter. Okay, no issue. So here you can see sum range. So sum range is what? Sum range, I have to whatever range you want to sum. And here, because we are in the January column, I want to like sum this January's data. So if you want to just scroll down to the end, you just have to press Control Shift and down arrow. Okay, and you will see, you will get reach to this cell, and you can select this. So C3 to C42 range you have selected, and then enter. Then come back here. The second thing is criteria. What should be the criteria? Criteria I have, because I'm calculating this for West region. So criteria range is this C, and make sure whatever range this is C3 to C42, this range should match here as well. B3 to B43. Understood? Like this column name can change, but this 3 is starting from C3, so it should start from the B3 and ending it at C42. It should end at C42, not 43. Okay. Now the third thing here is what? Criteria range I have taken. This is the range I have taken. Now the criteria. What should be the criteria? Criteria is nothing but it should be West. So I'll just reference this West cell and just close it, enter, and here we go. We have sales of West region in January month. Okay, and likewise here you can just drag this formula, but before dragging you have to fix this range, because when you will drag, this C3 will become C4. If you want to see, I'm just showing you here. Here you can see two cells actually you left, right? That means we need to fix that. It should start from C3 only. Okay, and for that what we do fix referencing that we have learned in the first video. I kept telling you that this is going to like be very important topic, but I don't know you have watched that video or not. Here we also fixing this. If you haven't watched, please do watch. It's not going to take much time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and you will practice that as well. So after fixing this using Fn plus F4, then I can just drag it down. Now here you can see, even here this is starting from C3 and ending at 42, right? Now same I'll do, use sum function. I'll use sum function. sum and then take this range, and I'll get the total units sold in January month. Okay, now I have to do this for every month. So for that, I don't want to do this manually. So if you know referencing very well, it's going to help you a lot. How? Let's see. So this range, we are going to fix this range, okay, but we want to change this month range from January to February, but we don't want to change this reason range because we have to use this criteria range, right? So I just want to change this C wala range, which is this. So here I will just remove this dollar sign, okay, and this dollar sign, so that this if I drag this towards D column, this C will not be fixed. Enter. Now if you can see, I'll just drag this towards this. What happened? Okay, one more thing that I forgot is this West. I'm referencing this West, right? So to fix this column, I'll just put dollar sign. Very interesting, right? But if you haven't watched the first, second, third videos, it's going to be difficult for you. So do watch that video, and it will be very easy to understand this concept. Now if I will drag this, you can see here I am getting February's West region sells on February, March, April, and likewise I just have to drag this whole calculation towards what happened. Did I made some mistake? Okay, here you can see I have not removed this dollar sign. I just have to just drag this down. Okay, now I'll drag this towards this. Now you can see this C is starting from C, and now this C is becoming D, and here it will become E, which is March, right? Now it's very easy peasy, right? Now I just use sum function and do, like, if you want to see in West region how much units you have sold total, you can see from here, and if you want to see month wise, you can see from here, right? Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video. We are going to solve these topics as well, these sheets as well. So keep watching, keep practicing, because I share my sheet with you in the description box, and I expect that you guys practice it at home. But if you are not practicing, you are just making a big mistake. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.